So animal communication number one, you put up your hand and you talk to the animal. And you ask the animal if he'll be your friend. Then he'll respond to you. Then before you film them, you ask them, can I film them? Can I film you? And they'll respond to you. A lot of times the animals will not respond as your friend right away. This chipmunk, this is the second meeting I've had with him. So the last time I asked him, and he said he didn't come out, but that was the last time I was around him. Now this time he came out. So this was the second meeting. So when you're doing your animal communication, sometimes the animals won't talk to you on the first time. You have to be patient with them. Then a lot of times they'll come out. I spent the whole summer with a blue heron one time. And it took me 3 meetings of talking to him. I have another video where this family of ducks follows me up this stream. I found this family of ducks by a pond about half mile away from where I was living in this cabin. And there's a stream in my cabin. I'm meditating like 3 or 4 days later, and the whole family of ducks comes out of the stream. Come on up, man. How you doing today? It's good to see you. How was your day? Who's my little buddy? Oh, and you brought your wife. Oh, you guys are so cute. I love you guys. You having a good day, huh? You guys ready to have some babies? Well, you're welcome to stay around here as long as I'm here, okay? I'll make sure you get good care taken care of you, all right? And I did animal communication with them. I said, hello, will you be my friend, beautiful animals? So it can take a little bit of time to earn the animal's trust. But now, like this chipmunk now, he'll probably be my friend for the whole summer, which is pretty cool because he's a really cute chipmunk. So those are the basics that you have to know for animal communication. Really, when you put up your hand or when you say something to them out loud or silently, you have to pay attention to their response. And over years of paying attention to their responses, you'll get to know. Sometimes the animal's response will be right in your face, and there's no way that you can misunderstand what the response is. Other times the animal will respond and you might not understand, so you have to be patient with yourself. Sometimes it's clarity issues why you don't understand what the animal says back. Other times it's just miscommunication. Other times, sometimes you have a really good link with the animal. Sometimes you don't. It's just like with people. Sometimes you vibe with people. Sometimes you don't. It's the same thing with the animals.